So you finally did it. You finally decided to take the plunge and start looking into how to get started crypto mining. Well, good for you. You're in the right spot. My name's the Hobbyist Miner. I started crypto mining 6 years ago with the little money that I had with my first graphics card. It was actually an NVIDIA GTX 970 on a coin called Raven coin. Now fast forward 5 years and I left my career of 20 years in the IT industry after growing this YouTube channel and my crypto mining farm to the point of sustaining my family and my new lifestyle to pursue crypto mining full time. Now, if you want to learn more, go ahead over and check out my website, thehobbyistminer.io. But that's enough about me. Let's jump into my 5 tips for getting started with crypto mining for beginners just like you. Stay tuned. In today's video, we're giving away 1 crypto miner to 1 lucky winner. So starting off with number 1. One of the biggest tips I can give to individuals looking to jump into this space is getting yourself a good cold storage crypto wallet. And you might be like, well, I'm just looking to get started. I don't really want to spend any money. Listen, I totally get it. But here's the problem. A lot of beginners go out there looking for free crypto wallets that are phone apps or applications or programs you download on your computer. And you know what happens? You totally get scammed. 1, you just lose your crypto, or 2, it's entirely stolen. Please be super careful and don't put a crypto wallet on the back burner as something you'll eventually get to. If anything, bump it to the top and make it a high priority. Keeping your crypto safe should be number 1 in your book, whether you've earned $1 or $1,000. You should make sure you have a good crypto mining wallet. So let's go ahead and take a look at my recommendation for beginners. All right, so my number 1 recommendation for beginners just like you getting started is a crypto wallet called Tangem. Every other person has a cell phone out there. Well, Tangem utilizes your cell phone as a gateway and partners up with a card solution to go ahead and store your crypto. So if you go over here to tangem.com, I'll link this directly down below and everything we talk about in today's video. Let's go ahead and scroll down and learn a little bit more. So the nice thing is you can actually set this up in 3 minutes. And I highly recommend, just like Tangem recommends, you get 3 cards. I keep 1 in my wallet, 1 in a safety deposit box, maybe 1 in a safe, 1 at a relative's house, all things to keep your crypto entirely safe. If you lose one, it's not the end of the world. You have 2 more that are entirely out there. Now, the nice thing is you have a few ways to set up. You can set up an account, or what I recommend is you set up these crypto cards and wallets with a seed phrase, and you store that in a very secure and safe spot. You can actually go ahead and double up on security by adding something like a biometric security for your facial scan, or just an access code if you want to make it simple and easy. So let's go ahead and take a look at kind of what cryptos that Tangem supports. So big ones that come to mind for me are ones like Bitcoin. That's at the forefront. Absolutely. Other ones out there that come to mind are ones like Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin. All of these are real big ones out there. So I'm going to leave this link down below for whatever crypto coin you're looking for. Come over here and go ahead and just search in the field to see if it supports it. I'd highly recommend it. I've been very happy with Tangem. I've been using it for almost 4 years now, and I am so pleased that I made the move over to Tangem. Now, it might be a little overwhelming. Well, I got you. I have an entire video of how to set up your Tangem wallet step by step. Go over and check it out. You can actually see I made it 3 years ago, and the steps have not changed. I walk you through it from a beginner's perspective, and I highly recommend you check it out. It's an 18-minute video that holds your hand through the entire process. Finally, let's talk cost. So I highly recommend a pack of 3. The more of these cards, the better. And the reason I recommend 3, as I talked about, different areas to store these and backups. Finally, let's talk about it. $69.90. And this is on Amazon, guys. You can go over and order it. I've made it very easy. It actually sells directly from Tangem. To keep your crypto safe, as I said, whether you have a few dollars or thousands of dollars, $70 to do this should be nothing. It should be at the forefront, and one of the first things you do is keeping your crypto safe. So for tip number 1, get a good cold storage wallet. All right, tip number 2. When I first got started thinking about crypto mining, which is probably where you are right now, I was not in a place where I really was actually between homes. I'm going to be entirely honest with you. My wife and I were moving. We were selling our one home, moving into another one. It all got delayed. And we ended up living with my mother-in-law in her basement. It was finished. And we had two kids at that time. But that being said, I didn't have a place to call home. I didn't have a garage or a basement or a spare bedroom that I could do anything with, let alone a shed at that point in time. And so what I found myself doing was research, watching boatloads and boatloads of YouTube videos out there to just consume as much as I could. So for tip number 2, my recommendation is to educate and learn as much as you can before you go ahead and spend any money at all past getting a crypto wallet. Don't go buy any miners. Don't go follow any weird scams down these get rich quick avenues with crypto or Bitcoin. Just pause and do your research. There's a lot of really good content creators out there. And now my situation was different, but I spent 6 months learning as much as I could on YouTube. And that was 6 years ago versus today. There is a boatload of really good content creators and teachers out there that you can learn more from. All right, number 3. And this one is probably one that you think, oh, I need to put that at the end. Nope, bump it up. And here's why. So let's talk about off-ramping. And you might, what is off-ramping? Well, just like it sounds like, off-ramping, kind of getting out of crypto. And you might be like, wait, I'm just stepping in. What do you mean? Well, off-ramping is the avenue of selling your crypto to US dollar to get it over to your bank account. And you might be like, whoa, you are way ahead. Well, actually, no. And here's why. A lot of beginners go ahead, they get started, they get some really shady wallet, they start mining or accumulating crypto, and then all of a sudden they have this opportunity to sell crypto to make some real money. And they go, crap, how do I go ahead and sell this crypto? How do I go ahead and get it to bank account? I have a nice amount of money here. I don't want to lose it. And then it becomes an afterthought. And then it becomes an emergency. And then it becomes I need to do this now. Well, the challenge is with traditional off-ramps, at least here in the US, there's a process called KYC, know your customer. And it takes some time and some effort to go through. So instead of doing this at the very end of things when you're in panic mode trying to sell, let's put this in the forefront and get this set up ahead of time. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys, but wanted to give you guys a heads up that I launched a podcast. Yes, a podcast. It is called the Everyday Miner Podcast. You can find it on every major podcast platform out there. We actually just hit 70 episodes total over there. So please go over and check it out. You're going to find a variety of different content. You're going to find some old stuff from like 5 years ago that's still valuable. You're going to find some new stuff. You're going to find some of my long form content out there, but it's great for on the go, at the gym, your commute, or while you're at work when you went your crypto mining focus. Guys, go over and check it out on any major platform. It's called the Everyday Miner Podcast. I'll leave a link directly down below. All right, tip number 4. So before you go ahead and buy any hardware, let's say you've gotten to the point where you've gotten your cold storage crypto wallet. Kudos, good for you. You've gotten an off-ramp set up. Man, you are like halfway there. Now let's talk about testing the waters. So most of you have a computer available to you in some way, shape, or form, either new or old. Maybe it's the Honda Civic, or maybe it's a Ferrari when it comes down to the hardware specs. Regardless, you have a computer available to you. And what I recommend you do is test the waters with what you have. There's a lot of software platforms out there that you can actually take your home computer or whatever computer you have, maybe it's for school that you have in college or whatnot, and you can install a program on there. And when you're not using it and it's idle, you can earn crypto with it, which is great. So it's a great stepping stone with the hardware that you have. Now, a quick PSA, are you going to get rich doing this? Absolutely not. But is it going to teach you some of the fundamentals? Yes. All right, so tip number 5. This is when we're going to talk about what miner I would recommend you get started with crypto mining as a home miner, just stepping into it just barely. You've gone ahead and you've purchased a wallet. Good for you. You've gone ahead and educated yourself. You watched a boatload of YouTube videos out there. You've been learning so much, absorbing it all, reading lots of articles, really getting into the weeds. You've set up your off-ramp. You're all set and ready to go there. And now you're like, okay, where do we go from here? You know, I've tested it out on my computer. I've earned a tiny bit of Bitcoin. I'm hooked. I love it. I've made that money. It's hit my Bitcoin wallet that I've set up. Now, where do I go? I'm ready. Well, let's talk about hardware. So we're over here on the website, heliumdeploy.com. They carry a whole bunch of different home miners, whether it's DPIN or whether it's ASIC miners. And right here is the #1 miner that anybody you ask in the industry is going to recommend that you take a closer look at when you're getting started. This is the Bitaxe Gamma 601. This is the size of a deck of cards, to be honest with you. It's very simple, it's very basic, and that's perfect for you. And don't be overwhelmed here. You can set this up in 5 minutes, and you're already there with the fact that you have a Bitcoin wallet address available for you. Now, you can take a look here, and it's about $184. And it's like, oh, that's a little bit pricey, and I get it. But the value here is that this miner, think of it, for $184, you will learn everything you need to know about crypto mining at a scale this small that you can scale with your journey all the way up to buying a miner that's $5,000 and something crazy. Now, with the Bitaxe, the value takeaway here is that it teaches you about wallets, about mining pools, about stratums, about deposits, about withdrawals. It teaches you all of those things, which are super, super important. And guess what? I have a step-by-step video on how to set this up because I get it. Your first miner you set up, I did this with my first miner. I needed a video to walk me through it. So I'm going to link, trust me, down below is going to be packed full of links. Now, at the same time, if you're leaning more towards Dogecoin, which is something called script mining, there is a miner out there called the Hammer Miner DCO2. These actually just came out recently. And this is one of the most powerful home script miners on the market right now, coming in at 105 mega hash. And guys, the watts we're talking here is 25 watts. So I get it. You've heard horror stories of like how much power crypto miners use. We're talking 25 watts here. Now, we're not going to go ahead and retire ourselves with buying either of these two miners. But the value here is that this will teach you, just like with the Bitaxe, but with script and Dogecoin mining, everything you need to know. But it comes in at a heftier price point of $325. But guess what? I came across this here and I was like, man, this is perfect for today's video. Helium Deploy is doing a buy one hammer miner and you get the Bitcoin Bitaxe miner entirely free. So this is going to allow you to step into crypto mining with Bitcoin and Dogecoin mining at the exact same time for the same price that the hammer miner is, $325, which I feel like is an absolute steal because traditionally the hammer miner is $325. Why would you go ahead and just buy the hammer miner by itself when you can get a full Bitaxe entirely free for mining Bitcoin, which is absolutely the way I would go. So I'll link this down below. Go ahead, check it out. This is the first miner that I feel like every individual searching for how to get started mining is going to want to go ahead and pick up early on. All right, it's giveaway time. How do you enter the giveaway? Well, today we're giving away, thanks to the team over at Helium Deploy, one of the Hammer Miner DC02 script miners. How do you enter? Comment directly down below if you won, where you would put this miner, on your desk, on your table, in your bedroom. Comment down below. We'll pick one winner in 2 weeks. Good luck. Finally, guys, I'm going to leave you off with 2 videos here that I highly recommend you guys check out when we go ahead and part ways here. That'll keep you learning along the way. The first one is a video where I was at a mining event called Mining Disrupt, and I sat down with 20 industry leaders in the space and asked them, if you were going to get started crypto mining today, how would you get started? Guess what? Almost 18 out of the 20 people mentioned the miners that we talked about today. So please go over and watch that video. And for the second one, well, I'm going to leave it up to a mystery. Stay for the next 10 seconds. Go over and check it out. All right, guys, thank you guys very much for joining me today for today's video. I hope you walked away with learning a little bit more about how to get started with crypto mining.